Actually, hindi na ako nag-expect ng wedding. Diba? Sa tagal.
Hindi naman nawala sa akin na gusto ko siyang pakasalan noon pa eh. Talagang nagkaroon lang kami ng mga ups and down na problema. Gusto kong ibigay sa kanya yung wedding na kaya ko.
Sa dinami nung napagdaanan namin, talagang nag-pursue siya na maibigay itong wedding na to.
So many miles, I still remember, I still love.
Kaya lahat talaga na ibibigay ko para sa pagkakataon ko.
Nagtsaga siya, nag-sacrifice siya na mag-work sa malayo. Gaya na palayo siya sa amin ng baby namin.
All of the pictures, dreaming in color, the life we know will never fade. We've come so far. Yeah, we've come so far.
At least, kahit mala sa picture na to, nakasama si Papa.
Mahal ko, it's been 12 years that we were together. Grabe. Worth it pala. I never thought na matutupad pa yung pangarap kong wedding noon. Kaya super thank you, mahal.
All of my memories, wishes.
My dearest Joanna, mahal, my love, my Ami, standing here today is the greatest gift that I received from God. From the moment I met you in Shakey's, I knew my life had changed forever.
We've come so far.
And Jason, you may kiss your wife.
Hello, mahal ko. Since importante ang araw na ito sa atin, this gift will be a meaningful and precious one. I love you. See you later. Mwah.
My dearest mahal, please accept my simple gift as a symbol of my love to you and our two children. I can't wait to see you later in front of God. I love you.
Thank you at included ang mga kids sa symbol na to. Kasi 3 hearts siya. Kaya, I love you. See you later.
Sino ba namang hindi matutuwa kahit gano'n, diba na 12 years na kayo tapos ikakasal kayo?
Ganito pala. Kinakabahan kahit alam mo na yung mga pwedeng mangyari. Pero masaya. Nakakaba. Nakaka-excite. Diba? Parang ito na yun eh.
At last, sabi nga niya, niloloko niya kami na nauna pa yung mga bata na makuha yung apelido ko kaysa sa kanya. Yeah.
Kahit sabi mo nagsama na kami during pero iba pa rin yung as one na kami by God. Yung mababless na kami ni God sa house.
We got a beautiful story. Every morning.
I promise that I will listen to you more, especially when you say, I am not allowed to go out. I promise na mabawasan ko na ang pagiging pasaway.
The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Never found my.
Thank you for standing beside me through every twist and turn. Thank you for loving me on the hard days, for making me laugh, and for showing up in ways that words can't always capture.
We got a beautiful story.
The promise of loving one another is not just today or not just after a year, after 10 years, 25 years, or after your golden years. Your promise of loving and being faithful to one another will be from now on until death.
Full story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've
When God sends you the right person, you will recognize them. They won't bring drama, confusion, or stress. Instead, they will offer peace, confirmation, and love. That's why when you arrive, I hold on to you, and it's worth the wait.
best is yet to come.
You've made this journey more beautiful than I ever imagined.